Hello, my name is Mrs. Rhiannon Daniel and I'm Head of Sixth Form here at Ysgol Gyfun Maes y Gwendraeth. And in this video, I'll be discussing the support and guidance offered to our Sixth Form students here at Maes y Gwendraeth. We continue the same support that is available for our pupils down the school, emotional support when needed and academic support as well. We continue to work closely with outside agencies for they're available to our students if additional support is needed. The wonderful thing about returning to sixth form is that relationships with teachers have already been established. The sixth form can be quite tough at times. There's a lot of work to get through, and students do need that additional support. They can turn to their teachers quite easily because the relationships have been formed already. They can ask for advice, they can ask for guidance, and of course, teachers, knowing them well, can offer the guidance that's relevant to the students, that suits the students as well. In the sixth form, there are various opportunities available, and I'll discuss this further during the presentation. One thing that's very important is that Welsh medium education continues at sixth form. Today, being bilingual is vital for every career path in Wales. So when they leave the sixth form, they are fully bilingual and they're confident in both Welsh and English. Here are the various opportunities available at sixth form. They have a chance to become senior prefects or prefects, house leaders. They can be forum members and sports ambassadors. We continue to encourage voluntary work. They can do different activities in the sports department, the music and drama departments. STEM is seen as very important and have opportunities there through the particular subjects. They have an opportunity to be mentors and role models to pupils down the school. They can continue to be part of the Urdd National Eisteddfod, as well as lead the school Eisteddfod. And of course, they can participate in different clubs. They can lead clubs themselves as well. We appreciate these days that sixth form isn't just preparation for university anymore. There's more than one path to follow, and we ensure that they're aware of these different paths during their time here with us at Maes y Gwendraeth. If you have an opportunity, please go to the school website, go to our page on the school website, and you'll come across this page, Cynllunio'r Dyfodol, where we prepare them for their future. Around June time, they have an opportunity to start considering what path is best for them. They don't have to just go down the university path anymore. They can look at different apprenticeships that's available to them and consider whether or not the world of work is a good idea for them straight away after leaving school. This website offers advice and guidance. They can start looking at it quite early on in preparation for the decisions, those big decisions that they need to make long term. Further guidance, of course, is offered to them. It starts in year 11, where there's a question and answer session between year 11 and year 12 pupils. They have an opportunity to ask questions regarding subject choices, what works for them, and so forth. Also, we offer an evening called Successful Pathways. It usually happens in September, but next year, of course, it'll probably have to be later on. During that evening, we invite universities from across Wales, local businesses, Careers Wales, to put a bespoke fair on for us in the hall. Parents are invited as well, and you have a chance to maybe start asking questions early on regarding the best path for your child. We also offer Planning My Future Week, as I mentioned earlier, in June, where they have a chance to focus on their UCAS application, as well as CVs for the world of work. There's also some specific training available from external providers. We offer mock interviews, a very vital part here where we allow them to have a chance to have an interview either with universities or with local businesses. They find this very useful. It's quite a scary experience, but also a great way of preparing them for the real world. Work experience and placements are available for them. We make links with businesses and apprenticeships. They are offered guidance and student finance when they're preparing for their university application. We offer extra support with scholarships and entrance exams, UCAT guidance. The careers advisor works closely with us, either for a one-to-one or even presenting to the whole year. We offer support with application forms, mock interviews, tutor projects, and of course, references throughout the 2 years. There is a mentoring scheme available for Year 12, and we invite either universities in to offer further guidance, or we offer a session with St John's Ambulance. Barclays Bank has been in the past. It's quite a bespoke programme that's suitable for the Year 12, and of course it gives them an idea of how to prepare themselves for the future, but also give them advice about how to deal with certain things now within the sixth form. We do offer a lot of support and guidance, but we do have high expectations as well, and we ensure that they're aware of this at the beginning of Year 12. It's important that they come back to school willing to work and make an immediate impact. Hit the ground running is the saying we use. High attendance is also incredibly important. If they're not present in lessons, if they're not there for the support that they need, then they usually fall behind quite quickly. So we emphasise the importance of attendance right at the beginning of Year 12 with them. Time management, of course, is also important. We offer guidance with this as well. We help them to sort out their own little timetables so they know when to work, what to do, and so forth. Self-motivation is a big thing, of course, at sixth form and can be quite hard. So we offer them advice and guidance how to deal with that as well. And of course, because they come back to sixth form, they can be school leaders. They can be an example to Key Stage 3 and Key Stage 4 pupils as well. In order to help them with many things that I've just mentioned, we offer the VESPA programme, which is a great programme. It's a proven programme to ensure that pupils or students do very well at sixth form. It focuses on 5 different elements: vision, what the student's vision is for their future. It helps them to understand the effort that they need to put into their work, the systems needed in place, how to practice to ensure that they get their work done properly, and what type of attitude they need to succeed, which obviously is a positive one. As I said earlier, the beginning of Year 12, we focus a lot on time management and effort, and we show them this little box here that can be a little bit scary at the beginning of Year 12, but it just shows them the amount of hours you need to put in order to succeed. Sixth form is not easy at times. You need to put a lot of hard work in, you need to be very motivated. But of course, we're here to give them that guidance and support because at times they will need it, and we appreciate that. Here are some pictures to show you the different opportunities that our students have had over the years. You are more than welcome to contact us if you want any further information regarding the guidance and support that we offer. Thank you very much for listening, and as I said, you're welcome to contact us at any time. Diolch yn fawr.